Welcome to the overview of chart drawing objects. We will be covering the following topics: drawing tools versus drawing objects, how to draw on a chart, drawing object properties, removing drawing objects, the drawing objects window, managing drawing object templates, and local versus global drawing objects. The terms drawing tool and drawing object are often used interchangeably, but each term represents a distinctly different concept. Simply put, a drawing tool is the tool that is used to create a drawing object. For example, when you select the Extended Line tool in the Drawing Tools menu, you will then have access to the Extended Line Drawing tool. After using the tool on the chart, the result will be a specific instance of an extended line drawing object. Before placing a drawing object on a chart, it is important to understand the concept of drawing object anchor points. Each drawing object is drawn based upon a certain number of anchors, which define its location on the chart. Thus, placing any drawing object on a chart is simply a matter of placing each of the object's required anchors in your desired locations. To place a drawing object on a chart, first open the Drawing Tools menu from the Chart toolbar, or by right-clicking in the chart, then selecting the Drawing Tools menu item. Select the drawing tool you wish to use from the list provided, and your mouse cursor will change to an icon resembling a pencil. Click anywhere in the chart to place the first anchor point, then click once again for the second anchor point if needed. If your chosen drawing tool requires more than 2 anchor points, continue to place the anchor points until the drawing object is placed. For example, drawing a line object requires that you click once where you wish the line to begin, then once more where you wish the line to end. The triangle drawing tool, on the other hand, requires 3 anchor points, one for each angle of the triangle object drawn by the tool. Drawing object properties can be accessed by either double-clicking on an existing drawing object on a chart or by selecting the Drawing Objects menu item from the Drawing Tools menu. From the Drawing Objects window, you can use the Attach To drop-down menu to apply a specific drawing object to all charts of the same instrument, thus making it a global drawing object. Simply select the option that lists the instrument name followed by the term All Charts, then click OK. From here, you can also specify whether an object should be included in the chart's auto-scaling, change the object's colors and outline if available, or change the specific chart coordinates at which the object's anchor points reside. A drawing object can be removed from a chart in one of 3 ways. First, click the object to select it, then either press the Delete key on your keyboard, or right-click the selected object, then click Delete, or double-click the selected object to delete it from within the Drawing Objects window. The Drawing Objects window allows you to remove or edit the parameters of any drawing object applied to a chart. To remove a drawing object from this window, select it in the Configured section, then click Remove. To edit a drawing object's parameters, select it in the Configured section, change any parameters in the Properties section to desired values, then click OK. In addition to opening the Drawing Objects window via the right-click menu of a selected drawing object, you can also access it directly from the Drawing Tools menu on the Chart toolbar, or in the right-click menu of the chart itself. After you have set up a drawing object with your desired settings, you can save these settings in a template, which can then be applied to any drawing object of that type in the future. You can save multiple templates for a single type, allowing you to save several configurations suited to different scenarios. To save a drawing object template, first select an applied object in the Configured section of the Drawing Objects window, then click Template in the Properties section, and finally click Save. To apply a previously saved template to an object applied to a chart, follow the same process but click Load rather than Save. Thank you for viewing the overview of chart drawing objects.